Focus on the anomaly in the third quadrant.
Confirmed. Trajectory is stabilizing.
Good. Recalibrate and project forward. We have breaking news, a global alert for an asteroid threat.
NASA confirms it's on a collision course.
Stay with us for updates.
Oh my God, it's happening!
We have to get inside now! Trajectory is locking in. Impact probability is holding at 98%.
Confirmed. All teams prepare for final sequence. Copy that.
Alert level critical. The models are destabilizing.
Rerouting power to stabilize Sector 4.
It's not enough. The chain reaction is accelerating.
The trajectory data confirms a 1.2% impact probability by 2032.
We must establish global protocols immediately.
Asteroid, Unified initializing.
Impact risk is rising.
All teams initiate a notified large alert.
On it.
Wow, the detail is incredible.
Right? The software is syncing perfectly.
Amazing.
The latest projection shows a 15% probability of impact in this region.
We must activate the global coordination plan immediately. Easy now. Let me help you. Thank you, dear.
I can do it!
You're doing great.
Unit 41 to base, victim located, moving to extraction point.
Hang in there, ma'am. You're going to be okay.
Thank you.
Orbital path is stabilizing.
Velocity is within safe margins.
Confirmed. Rerouting now.
Impact probability minimized. Impact probability just spiked to 0.28.
Copy that. Get that trajectory now.
Get the ephemeris. We need a visual.
On it.
Path is stable. No anomalies.
Agreed. Let's run the simulation.
I'll check the arrival metrics.
Executing.
Evacuation is now at 68%, deploying additional teams to the impact area.
Copy that. Monitoring for bottlenecks. It's getting closer!
What is that thing?
Look at the trail!
Focus is sharp. See the inclusions?
Yes, the lattice is clear. Remarkable.
I'll log the measurements.
Good. XR5 is accelerating. Impact probability just spiked to 12%. Get the models running. Scramble the interstellar.
Vectors updating now.
The timer is at critical. The risk index is rising. Contingency plan now.
Agreed. Activate it.
Red forces are advancing along this axis. Confirmed. We need to reroute assets.
Blue lines show a gap here.
I'll deploy reserves. The grid is destabilizing. Origin point?
Eastern Europe, sir. Escalating fast.
Deploy assets. Monitor all nodes.
Stay with us! We're almost there! Watch the debris! Keep it steady! Clear the path ahead! Move!
Check the crystallization rates here.
Yes, the morphology looks optimal.
The diffraction data confirms it.
Excellent. Trajectory is firming up. It's coming closer.
What's the current velocity?
28 kilometers per second.
We need to update the alert. Trajectory stable, sir. No anomalies. Good. Keep monitoring for perturbations. Velocity holding at 12.6.
Oh my god, it's true! The asteroid is getting closer!
Everyone look up! We have to evacuate now!
Check the family in row B.
Here's your food supply.
Noted. Moving to the next station. The grain boundaries are clearly defined.
Good. Check the sample on the left.
Right, let's get a closer look.